What's up, guys? Today we're at Epcot, as you can see the ball here, for the International Festival of the Holidays. We're gonna try some eats, sweets, and drinks. Let's go. Char and chop. What are we getting here?
We're gonna get the meat assorti.
Wait, is this in here? That's pretty good. All right, so this is from the Char and Chop. This is the meat assorti. It's a trio of shaved meats with baby arugula, pickled mustard seeds, truffle oil, and grilled ciabatta for $6.75. All right, I'm gonna try to do this. Don't mind all the different songs and music going on in the background. There's like a live band going. Oh, God. Holy cow. Okay. That's good. This has like mustard seeds, and I love mustard seeds. So I'm gonna try just the mustard seeds alone. It's like sweet mustard. Oh, it's pickled mustard. Pickled mustard? I didn't know you get pickled mustard. All right, this is fine. I'll give it a 8. The meats are good. Meats are good. All right, now we're at Mexico at Las Posadas Holiday Kitchen. We're gonna get the tamale de barbacoa, which is $8.50, and dulce de leche churro, which is $6.50, and the horchata margarita, $13.25. We got the tamale de barbacoa, which is shredded barbacoa beef and a corn masa topped with the mole negro, queso cotija, crema mexicana, and pickled onions. Sorry, we just missed the recording of the tamale.
Like we were saying.
I was saying that I'm not a big fan of the the brown sauce, the mole sauce. Can you see it? You can see it, right?
I think so.
So the mole sauce, I grew up like eating for the holidays, so it reminds you of like childhood. I was never really a big fan of it, but I like the way it tastes.
I like the smoky, subtle chocolate and spice flavor.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. That chocolate. Yeah, it's okay. I think that now that I'm older, I think I have an appreciation for it. It's fun.
The tamale is good. The masa, it's actually very good.
I'll give it an 8. It's been a constant 8 all day, so we'll keep it going. And then, simple enough, dulce de leche churro, sprinkled with cinnamon sugar. No dulce de leche?
I don't taste much.
Maybe it's injected in it? Oh my god.
It's a little under. Very subtle. Right now, maybe it's down there. But it's good. It's crunchy, sweet.
It's in there.
Yeah, I think it's in the bottom.
Oh crap! I just got a mouthful of dulce de leche.
Oh, you did? You got all my dulce de leche.
Yeah, I got a big mouthful of it.
Uh-oh.
Can I help you?
I'm not supposed to feed you, so...
Don't feed the birds. Yeah, I can taste it right there. It's like injected in the center. Very good. I'll rate it about an 8. 8.5. How about that?
8.5 sounds good.
This is what I'm excited about. This is our horchata margarita. It's a cinnamon-infused legal mezcal, Abasolo corn whiskey, agua de horchata, yum, and cinnamon horchata rum. Oh, that sounds good. Oh my god.
Mix it up.
That is so smoky.
I don't even want to try that.
Jesus. It's good. It's just a little straw here. Try this.
Oh boy. Should I?
It's pretty good. It's just very strong. You see what I mean? It kind of like punches you in the face.
Woo. Yeah.
It definitely punches you in the face, that liquor that's in there.
It's mezcal.
Yeah, that's smoky. It's good though, but I give it a 7. It's a little too overpowering.
If you want a strong drink, definitely go with that one.
Get the horchata margarita. All right, so we're in the Odyssey building, which is the, what is this thing called? Oh, the Holiday Hearth Desserts in the Odyssey building. This is the peppermint pinwheel cookie. Pinwheel cookie. And this was $3. Oh, so this is part of the cookie stroll. See, you have to eat all these cookies in the cookie stroll, stamp all of this, and you get some sort of more sweets. Yeah, you get more sweets at the end. All right, let's try it. I can taste the peppermint. I'm just glad it's not very sweet.
It's not very sweet. It's not very
Yeah, that's what I like. Is I don't like overly sweet sweets. This is perfectly balanced. Peppermint and sweet. I like this, and it's soft. I have nothing to compare it to other cookies on the cookie stroll, but this is pretty good. I give it a. Let's keep the 8 going. Give it an 8, a low 8. Santa. All right, from the Germany pavilion, from the Bavarian Holiday Kitchen, I got the cheese fondue in a bread bowl with steamed baby vegetables and marbled potatoes. And this was $8.25, and look how big this thing is. It's full of cheese in a bread bowl. I think this is probably so far has been the best bang for the buck here. $8.25 for all this. That is good cheese.
Melted cheese. And you...
What did you just eat? The potato?
A potato.
A potato. How was it?
Delicious. The cheese is amazing.
Yeah, the cheese is good. I think the cheese is really doing its thing here. Let me try a potato with cheese. Oops. That's good cheese.
That's fantastic.
It's a little on the salty side. I feel like it's missing some ham.
I like salty cheeses.
I feel like if we had a little bit of ham, this would be chef's kiss. Is this a pickled carrot?
Zucchini.
What is zucchini? Why
No.
does it look like a carrot?
I have a zucchini. That's a carrot.
This is a carrot. Oh,
Zucchini is good.
God.
Is it rubbery? Steamed carrots.
It wasn't steamed enough.
Really? What happened? Oh. This carrot is really hard. Try this one.
I didn't like that.
Try this one.
That's what I just tried.
No, that's the one you tried.
Oh, yeah. Now, this
So,
is soft.
This was a bigger carrot. That's a smaller. So
That carrot
one,
was solid. What is this?
zucchini.
Zucchini? Soft. It could be a little bit softer. I don't like crunchy vegetables.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Sponge.
No, you got cheese all over your forehead.
I got cheese on my forehead.
Well, I was wiping your cheese.
I guess you can say I'm kind of cheesy.
Ugh.
What do you rate this? This is good.
That's a solid 9.
It's very salty, but
I like salty.
I think a 9 is very fair. That first carrot was not good. And also from the Bavarian Kitchen, we got the beer flight, which is actually from right to left, Possman Pure Hard Apple Cider, the Tank Brewing Company, Prost, Fest Beer, and Kostra Steiser Schwarzbier. This is from Bitburger, Germany. I guess I'm going to start from lighter to darker. This is the hard apple cider. Yeah, that tastes like apple juice. Tastes like apple juice.
Really?
Doesn't taste like cider, it tastes like apple juice. Okay. Next is Fest beer, which if I can get it out of the
Colder.
Fest beer. It's a little on the bitter side. I wouldn't be able to drink a pint of that. Next is I can't read this. Kostris Kostreiser Schwarzbier.
What?
I'm not gonna like this. Ugh.
If you're a regular on our videos, you probably know Vic never liked the flights in here.
I like beer, but my type of beers are like wheat beers, Hefeweizens, Pilsners, light, no bitterness, no hoppiness. I guess I don't like beers, apparently. I give this flight a 5. It is nighttime now. We took a quick break at Magic Kingdom to check out the new, what was it, Hatbox Ghost? Pretty cool. This one's from the Noche Buena Cocina booth. It is 81 Bay Brewing Co. Horchata beer, from Tampa, Florida. Horchata. I love horchata. Yeah, it's like festive. I taste like horchata for sure, and I can taste the cinnamon, and it tastes like the holidays, like Mexican holidays. That's pretty good. I like this. Give us about an 8.5, 8.2. All right, so I guess we're gonna end that video here because it's getting pretty late and it's gonna rain again, as you can see. We got rained on. Best food that you had so far today? Best food?
The best food, I think it was the fondue cheese bread bowl.
Okay.
That was delicious. Very, very yummy.
I like that one too. That was very savory.
Very
and it was like a
savory.
huge portion, so definitely worth the value.
Yes.
Best drink? I'm gonna say the horchata beer.
The horchata beer is
This
really
one was pretty good.
Yeah.
The horchata margarita was just too. The mezcal was too strong for me.
It's a little too strong, but this one is more enjoyable.
If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.